Hi to everyone. Mm, I want to teach this sentence, and it's my first video. If you liked, you can like this video, and if you want to support me, and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and it's my first video in this channel, and I'm sorry for low quality, and I will be I will be better in my next videos. Thank you for watching, and I want a sentence from benzene, uh, this molecule, and I sketch here these reactions, and I will show to you this reaction. And here is benzene. Okay, I added this sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and it will be became to this molecule. And here I have a bromine and uh, iron atoms, and I added this to molecule, and it became to this molecule. And I added this both material, and it will be to this, and it became to this. And chlorine, iode, ion, CuCl, I added this combination to this molecule, and it became to this. Benzaldehyde is here, and I added KOH, KOH uh, compound to this molecule, and heat added to them, and it became to this molecule and this molecule. And here we have a benzene, and I added to this chloroform and aluminum trichloride. It's a Lewis acid, and the benzene became to this toluene, and I added sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and it became to this and this. So I show you, uh, this is my sketch. It was my one of one question of mm, my exam in the university. Okay, so I just released this video, and realize this video for first videos channel, and I will show you later uh, from basic concepts, and you will see. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.